This video might end the version of you you've been clinging to for years. The lazy version, the people-pleasing version, the version that dreams but never does. If you watch till the end, you won't be able to go back. Because once you see the truth, your old self dies, whether you like it or not. Easy mode, activated. Step 1. Your old self loves comfort. Comfort is not your friend. It's a cage that feels like home. Your old self will beg you to stay where it's warm, but nothing grows there. Think about a snake. It has to shed its skin to survive. Stay in the same skin, it dies. You're the same. If you don't outgrow your comfort, you'll slowly suffocate in it. Step 2. Your old self protects your excuses. I don't have time. I'll start tomorrow. That's your old self, fighting for survival. It knows, and the second you take responsibility, it's over. And responsibility is heavy, but so is regret. Pick your weight. Step 3. Your old self craves approval. Your old self lives for likes, validation, and applause. It can't move without someone saying, "Good job." But here's the shift. The new you claps in private. You don't need them to believe in you. You need to believe in yourself when nobody's watching. Step 4. Your old self hates discipline. It wants the reward without the work, the body without the training, the money without the grind. But reality doesn't work like that. As David Goggins says, you will never meet the strongest version of yourself in comfort. The old you avoids pain. The new you uses it as fuel. Step 5. Your old self feeds on fear. It whispers, "What if you fail? What will they say?" But here's the truth. They're already saying things. They're already judging. You might as well give them something real to talk about. Final punch. The old you is safe, but powerless. The new you is dangerous, but free. One of them has to die, and you get to choose which one. So, are you killing your old self today or letting it kill your future? Easy mode activated.